It's a 2014 Ford Explorer. This family hauling SUV can seat up to 7 people and still carry all their stuff, too. If you need to haul more stuff than people, the rear seat folds down, opening up over 80 cubic feet of cargo space. You'll be very comfortable behind the wheel of this SUV with features like air conditioning, a power driver's seat, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Safety is a priority, evidenced by anti-lock brakes, multiple airbags, and stability and traction control.
The power liftgate offers automatic rear door operation with the push of a button. Staying on the right path has never been easier thanks to advanced track. The parking sensors let you squeeze into those tight spots with ease.
Take this hardy SUV for a test drive today.
Beechmont Ford, we're a friend in the community. Stop in today. We're easy to find, easy to deal with. Off of I-275 at 65A Beechmont Avenue.